Okay, so I got two new things for my computer here. Number one is a DVD drive, just for that, burn stuff, in case I ever need it. And the EVGA superclocked GTX 760. This will be a good replacement for the 275 that's in there right now, but still, it's a placeholder until I can get the R9 295 XT. My brother will want this box. And it also comes with a pretty cool poster of their mascot. I don't have the space to open it here, so trust me, it's there. It's cool. You have a little booklet thing here. With the manual and driver CD. And then saying how to hook it up. Oh, no GeForce GTX emblem or anything. That's a bummer. But whatever. I'm not going to use the driver CD or anything because, one, I've already got the drivers installed, and two, it's best to get the drivers from the NVIDIA site anyways. Comes with two pairs of adapter cables and a DVI VGA adapter if you actually need that. If you actually need that, then it's time to upgrade your monitor. Would this screwdriver work? It's probably going to be way, way, way too small. And it is. Let me get a bigger screwdriver. And I found one. Just get them loosened up so that I can get them in easier. When I get the 295X2, I'm going to have to take out the one right below this here, because it takes up 3 slots going down and 1 going up for the back plate. Yes, the back plate is actually that big. EVGA 275. Say hello to EVGA GTX 260. No, 760. Super clocked. I will need to take out the HDMI thing because this TV has an HDMI plug I can use. I'll leave the SLI bridge cable adapters and stuff in there. This stupid thing doesn't want to come out. If only I actually... I don't know. No, that's the wrong one anyways. Why'd I do this? There we go. And there we go. This takes an 8-pin and a 6-pin for power. Oh. Cover there. I always had the window open for some natural light because God knows this room has the worst lighting of all of history. I could get away with one screw, but nope, gonna put them both in. Hooray for thumb screws. So I have a EVGA Supernova power supply, and now a EVGA video card. Actually, I already had an EVGA video card. It's just turning into an EVGA build. Let me get these things hooked up and I'll get right back to you. Alright, I got it. It's not the prettiest, but whatever. Time to put in the DVD drive. Let's unbox that now while I'm right here. Move the other stuff. Does this come with its own SATA cables? No, but it came with its own driver CD. I don't see how that makes sense, because if you don't have the drivers and you need to install them, how would this work for you to use a disc to install the driver? I don't know. It's probably not a driver CD, it's probably just a well, it is, never mind. I guess some people are idiots, but whatever. Gotta put in the drive, and to do that we had to move the front fan I have in here up one spot so that the DVD drive will have its spot, because as it is right now the radiator takes up too much room. So I'll get back to you when that's installed. Okay, I got it all set up. DVD drive's in place, fans behind the doors, new video cards hooked up, and power on. Yay. Gonna let it boot into Windows and then let it find a driver. Now with the card in it, you could call this a completed build, but not for me. It's gotta be the 295X2. There we go. Installing driver software. 1.5 volts. It's probably too high as it is for the CPU. There we go. Where'd PC meter go though? Needs a restart. And it should be good to go. It's still kind of off center. I don't know why that does it. Yay, 760. Gotta find out why this is acting up on here though. I have a controller for this. Let me see if I can find it, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I got the aspect ratio thing fixed. I'm now installing software for a printer I have right beside me. And this clear type thing, just because it needs it. Okay. And there we go, it looks a lot more colorful. Or does it? Yeah, it kind of looks the same to me, actually. Whatever. Alright, well, I'm just doing boring stuff now, like display settings. Printer is done. I found out that it cannot push the door open. It doesn't have enough power. Whatever. Alright, well that's it. Thanks, Game Boy Out. See you next time.